Welcome to this complete TradingView app. Tutorial in this video, you will learn everything step by step from installing the app to doing full technical analysis. So open your TradingView app on your phone or tablet, and let us begin when you open it for the first time. You will see the homepage that shows watch lists and trending ideas from traders around the world. If you do not have an account, yet you can sign up easily using your Google, Apple, or email option. Once you are logged in, you will find 5 icons at the bottom of the screen: Home Charts, Ideas, News, and Profile. The most important one is Charts, so tap on it. This is where you can see live market data and analyze price movements now in the search bar at the top. Type any symbol like BTCUSD for Bitcoin or AAPL for Apple stock. To open the chart once it loads, you can move the chart left and right by dragging your finger and zoom in or out using 2 fingers to adjust the view. If you want to change the time frame, tap on the time frame button. You will see options like 1 minute, 5 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, and more. Select one depending on how you trade. For example, intraday traders use short time frames and long-term traders use daily or weekly time frames. Next, you can change your chart style by tapping on the Chart Type button and selecting from options like candlestick, bar line, or area. Most traders use candlesticks because they show open, high, low, and close prices very clearly. Now let us add indicators. Tap on the FX icon on top. You will find hundreds of indicators such as RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, and moving average. Select RSI to see how it appears below your chart. You can also tap on it to edit its settings like period or color indicators help you identify momentum and trend direction. Now let us talk about drawing tools. Tap on the pencil icon to open all drawing options. You can add trend lines, support and resistance, horizontal lines, or Fibonacci retracements, for example. Draw a trend line from a swing low to another swing low to find the market trend. If price breaks that line, it may indicate a reversal. You can delete or edit drawings anytime by tapping and holding them. Next, we have alerts. Alerts are powerful for traders because they save time. Tap on the plus icon and select Alert. Choose your conditions. For example, you can set an alert when price crosses a specific level, like when Bitcoin crosses 70,000, select once only or every time, and set notifications to pop up or send an email. This helps you never miss a trading opportunity. Now let us explore the watch list feature. Go back to the Home section, tap on Watch List, and press the plus button to add your favorite assets. You can create multiple watch lists like stocks, crypto, or Forex. You can also rename or reorder them as you like. This keeps your trading organized. If you tap on any symbol in the watch list, it will open its chart instantly. Now move to the Ideas tab. Here you can view posts from traders around the world who share their chart analysis and strategies. Reading these ideas can help you learn new techniques and confirm your own analysis if you want to share your own idea. Tap on the plus icon, write your thoughts, add tags, choose your chart image, and then publish it to the community. Next, we will explore settings. Tap on your profile icon and go to Settings here. You can change the theme to light or dark mode. Dark mode is easier on the eyes during night trading. You can also manage your account settings, privacy notifications, and connected brokers. If you have a broker that supports TradingView, you can link your account and trade directly from the chart by tapping on the trade panel at the bottom. Then log into your broker and place buy or sell orders directly. This makes trading faster and easier without switching apps. Now let us discuss layout options. You can save multiple chart layouts with different indicators. For example, one layout for crypto and one for Forex. To do that, tap on the layout menu and choose Save. You can switch between them anytime. Next, we have the replay mode. This is a great feature to practice your chart analysis. Tap on the replay icon and you can move the price action backward and play it forward. Bar by bar to test your strategy without real money. Now let us customize the chart appearance. Tap on Settings. Then Appearance. Here you can change background color, grid lines, and session breaks. You can also turn on or off price labels and volume bars. according to your preference now to make your analysis clean. You can use the Remove Drawings option to clear everything in one tap and start fresh if you want to measure price movement. Tap on the ruler icon, drag from one point to another, and you will see the price change percentage and number of bars between them. This helps in calculating profit targets and risk ratios. TradingView also allows you to use multiple screens on tablets or PCs so you can compare two charts side by side like B, T, CUSD, and ETHUSD. Simultaneously, if you want to access premium tools, TradingView offers plans like Pro, Plus, and Premium with more indicators per chart, more alerts, and faster data. But the free plan is good enough for most beginners. Finally, explore the News tab for updates related to the market. This section gives you headlines and economic calendar data that can affect price movement. Reading news helps you understand why a market moves suddenly and helps in better decision-making. Now you have learned everything about the TradingView app, from setup to advanced features practiced daily, by checking your charts, setting alerts, and watching market movement. Soon you will feel confident using all the tools. TradingView is one of the most powerful platforms for traders, whether you trade crypto stocks or Forex, so keep exploring and keep learning. Thank you for watching this complete TradingView tutorial. Now let us move into some advanced tricks that can make your TradingView experience even better. One powerful feature is multiple chart layouts. If you have a larger screen or a premium plan, you can split your screen into 2, 3, or even 4 charts. This is great when you want to compare Bitcoin and Ethereum at the same time, or check different time frames for the same asset, for example, 1-hour chart on one side and daily chart on the other side. Next is keyboard shortcuts. These can save a lot of time. Tap on the question mark icon, and then shortcuts. You will see a full list for mobile and desktop users, knowing these shortcuts can help you draw faster change tools, quicker, and save hours during analysis. Now let us talk about alerts once more. Many traders forget that you can also create indicator-based alerts, for example, when the RSI crosses 70, or when MACD line crosses the signal line. You can create those alerts and get notified instantly. This helps automate your analysis and makes you more efficient. Now, if you are using TradingView for crypto or Forex, you can also enable Volume Profile Visible Range. This tool shows where the highest trading activity happened. It helps identify strong support and resistance zones. Next feature is Replay Mode. This is not only for fun, but also great for training. You can rewind the chart to any date and practice how you would trade based on past data. It helps you test your strategy before you go live. Another helpful tip is using templates. If you always use the same combination of indicators like RSI and moving average, you can save it as a template and apply it on any chart in one tap. This saves huge time and keeps your analysis consistent. Now let us explore the community section. When you scroll down, you will find ideas, scripts, and streams. Ideas are public analyses from traders. Scripts are custom indicators and strategies coded by other users using Pine script, and streams are live trading sessions. You can join watching experienced traders in action. Helps you understand how they think, plan, and execute trades. You can even comment and interact to learn directly from them. Now, if you want to take your skills further, you can learn Pine script language directly inside TradingView. It allows you to code your own indicators and backtest your strategies. You can access the Pine editor from the desktop version and modify scripts to suit your personal trading style. Next up is exporting and sharing charts. You can take a screenshot or copy a chart link to send to your friends or post on social media. This is great for teaching or collaborating with other traders. Another small but useful feature is the magnet mode. When enabled, your drawing tools automatically stick to the nearest open high-low or close point, making your drawings more accurate. Finally, let us cover risk management. TradingView has a position size tool which allows you to plan trades before entering it, shows potential profit and loss based on your stop loss, and take profit levels. This helps you stay disciplined and trade safely.